Guys, on today's video I'm going to be tie-dyeing shirts and socks. This has been something I've been really passionate about. I did a bleach dyeing shirt and sold it, so I want to also, my sink and dishwasher are just making noises, so dishwasher's on, just ignore all that in the background. But anyway, so I ordered these off Amazon, a 10 pair of Gildan socks, so it's a pretty good brand, like good quality. I ordered those for about $10, $12. And I ordered a pack of Hanes white t-shirts, which were also about $10, 4-pack. So I'm gonna tie-dye these and also design them a little bit, maybe make one into like a little girl's crop top, all unisex. These are women's socks, size 4 to 10. And then just to show you guys, I tried to order off Amazon, it was all sold out. I went to my local Michael's and I got this Tulip brand tie-dyeing kit. They had a bunch of different colors of 5-packs, 3-packs. I decided to invest in this 5-pack that had 30 rounds in it, like 30 projects. So it comes with the 5 color bottles with pigment already in it. So blue, purple, pink, green, and yellow. And it also comes with extra packets. So once I run out of those, I can put these packets in and put water in. It came with rubber bands and gloves and maybe some project ideas, but I'll probably just do my own thing. So I paid about 20 bucks for this, but I got like the 20% off because I signed up for like the Michael profile, because I was like, I'm not spending all that money on this. So first I'm gonna go ahead and fill the rest of these bottles up with water, and we will go outside on my deck and get tie-dyeing, guys. So I just soaked this in water. This is what the twist should look like. This is what your rubber bands should look like. You can do 2 rubber bands. I did 3. So you can do 3 different colors, or you can do 1 color and do 1 every other. And it'll still end up looking cool. I got an old beach towel. Get an old bath towel or beach towel to put down unless you're doing it in your yard. If you're doing it on a balcony or a deck, make sure, because you always want to do it outside, make sure you get a towel, because this is a rental and I don't want to mess up and dye the deck and get in trouble for it. So, we're going to go back to purple. Here we go.
make sure you're getting every crevice and every detail because you want that dye to really be in there. And then you're going to turn it around and do the back. So these squeezy bottles, yeah, super liquidy because of water, so they're really shooting out fast. So you got to be precise and direct. And that's why you want gloves because your hands will literally get burned. So after you check around, make sure you got all the crevices you could. That's about as good as it gets.
So this is what it looks like so far. So I did purple, I did every other wheel, every other section. I got the back. Okay, so I put it in rubber bands like this, folded them in half. Now we are going to dye. I have to do this one purple because I accidentally put it inside this crap and got it purple. So, put the gloves back on. Alright, so the sock is done. I have to do the other matching sock. So, yeah, these are the finished products. The pair of socks and the t-shirt. So, stay tuned to see what they end up looking like. And I will be rinsing them out and then putting them in the washer dryer and then they'll be done. So, hey guys, this is bad lighting. Back from the gym. But anyways, so I'm washing out this socks and the shirt. I washed out one sock and now I'm on the second one and I'm gonna do the t-shirt. But I just wanted to show you guys before I put them in the wash. The sock low-key looks dope. I just did the every other, but it low-key looks good. Like the purple is so sharp. Like it's like that nice neon purple. And yeah, so I'm hoping when I put them in the wash, like when I do the light cycle, like I hope it doesn't like bleed and like, you know, the colors go everywhere. Because this tie-dye look is so cool. So I'm gonna go put this one in the wash and then do the t-shirt really quick and see what the t-shirt looks like. So I'm gonna do the shirt now. So let's see how it turns out.
It's supposed to just rinse out with cold water to get this like excess dye out, I guess. And honestly, there's not as much dye in this one coming out as in the sock. Maybe because the socks were like super concentrated, like they were smaller, the shirt has more to cover. I'm gonna try to like wring it. The water's kind of warm as fuck. Does it make heat? I don't know. It just like doesn't do like cold water for some reason. And it doesn't have to be completely clear. It would take you forever for the water to be clear. But I'm just trying to get it most of the.
So guys, we will see how it ends up. I have it in the washer on delicate cycle. Why is it not starting? I don't know. But then I will put it in the dryer and we'll see how it turns out. There it is. The washer is done. So I'm gonna stick them in the dryer. Let's see how it turned out. Good. It didn't really bleed out a lot of it, so that's good. I put it on a delicate cycle, so it's cold water. Because, you know, cold water keeps stuff in. Socks ended up pretty decent. I think when these aren't wet, when they're actually dry, they'll go back to like being stretchy and they'll be good and not look so soggy. But yes, loving the socks too. So let's get a dryer sheet. So I want to show you guys. Let me start this up first. We're just gonna do a quick dry, which is 40 minutes. That'll be plenty for that. So it's gonna start. So I went back outside and I did 2 more sets of socks. I did a pink, yellow, and white. So I left some white in it. So I just did pink and yellow. And then this one, I left some white in it, but the way I did the rubber bands, I like squished them up and I did blue, pink, and green. So there'll be white every other color. So I'm hoping when I like pull these out, it'll end up looking good. These I can kind of already see because I did freehand. I didn't do it with the rubber bands. So these are gonna sit for a couple hours so the ink really, really sets in. And then I'm gonna put these in washer and dryer too. So I may not show these on the vlog. I may just show the purple, but you get the gist. It's a really fun hobby. Doesn't take too long, and I'm gonna sell these too. So I'm really excited. If you guys have any interest in any of my tie-dye or bleach dye stuff, I'm gonna leave all my social media linked below, so you guys can go on my Instagram, send me a DM if you are like seriously interested in buying, and I will, you know, set the price points and stuff. I'm still trying to learn from like other companies and stuff, like what the prices should be, because I'm my own person. Like, I'm not a big huge like online retailer that can sell them for like $5, you know. I need to make some sort of profit, you know, and everybody has their own like DIY or quarantine businesses. But yeah, if you are interested in my tie-dye or bleach dye stuff, or if you have like a request too, like if you want a certain color, I will totally do it for you. I'm a little too excited, maybe because I had Chick-fil-A, I don't know. But anyways guys, gonna let the purples dry and see you with the finished product. So the dryer is done. Let's see how it ended up. It looks more vibrant on the camera. Let's see what the shirt ended up like. Okay, the shirt is much whiter than I thought too. I'm definitely gonna make this shirt into a crop top because I think it would be super cute. So this is what they turned out like, guys. Pretty good. It lightened it a little bit though. That's why I think it's a little bit more spacey, because I only put one color on it. So we'll see how the other neon socks go. I'm gonna let them, you know, marinate a little longer. But yeah guys, so this is how it turned out. Also, I changed my outfit into my freaking Justin Bieber t-shirts and shorts because it's lounge time. All my TV shows are on. But anyways guys, so that was the DIY at home tie-dyeing. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. If you're not already subscribed, press that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications, aka bell button, to be notified when I post more videos. So yeah, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!